Guys, today I'm filming a video of having about 3 books, and it's written by Joshua Seagull. Basically, I met him before. Joshua Seagull, if you are watching this, you know me. Because I'm from school, Lady Boswell's. My name is Devon. Do you remember me? So these are the books. One of the books, I bet I can make you laugh. That book. Another book, Who Lets the Words Out, basically. Has like poems and stuff like that in there. He said he has a rare book, right? Joshua Seagull, you said you have a rare book. Can't really find it. And says Yapping Away. See. I know your YouTube video, Joshua Seagull, so yeah. I know it. You filmed on your channel is basically called Joshua Seagull, and you filmed on Mr. Dilly, right? Because I watched the video of them. So, exactly. Bye. If you are watching this, Joshua Seagull, please like, because I liked on your videos, some of them. Bye. Alright, bye. Bye.